Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks Weldments, we will understand how to use the Gusset command in SolidWorks. This is the SolidWorks user interface. First, we will make a small structure for making the Gusset. Take the top plane, take sketch, take the center rectangle. I'm taking the arbitrary dimension for this. Suppose this is the 600 mm, 500. Put it 15 mm. We provide the chamfer here, the distance chamfer, hidden edges, and I select the front plane. Okay. Take a line up from midpoint. Vertical. Length of this thing. Yeah. Okay. I first out of the sketch, weldment structure member. I'm taking the ISO square tube. Just in the gusset. How to use the gusset? The weldment there is a gusset. Gusset is like a rig. It is used for the strengthen the structure, for reinforcement, for the to increase the structure stiffness. To increase the stiffness of the structure. To gusset command weldment there is a gusset. Use gusset. First select the two faces. This face, this face. There are the two types of the gusset. One is the right triangular and another is the polygonal. So I take this distance 100 mm. This is the suppose 90 mm. This one. Thickness from you can take here. Suppose I am taking the 15 mm. This here from here you can change the direction. This dimension changes. If you reverse the direction, in this way direction change. In this way you can change the dimension. One dimension is the 100 mm D1, D2. You can, if you reverse the direction, then the dimension changes. Okay, and another is the thickness. This is thickness on one side. This thickness on both sides. This thickness on other side. I keep thickness 15 mm. This is the location at one end. This location another end. This location in the mid of the pipe. Suppose you want to take the offset. This offset is the, suppose I take 10 mm. This offset distance is from the center of the pipe. Suppose I take 15 mm. Take the 15. I'm not taking the offset any. In this way, first gusset can be made. I am using the another gusset. Suppose another, I am taking example gusset. This one I am taking polygon. First select this face and this face. Okay. You see D1 dimension, D2 dimension, D3 dimension. D1 dimension is the vertical dimension. D2 dimension is the bottom one dimension. D3 you can see here from above dimension. This one. This. Suppose I D3 change 20 mm. You see this dimension changes. This dimension, upper one. D4 dimension. D4 dimension is this one. This one. Suppose I take it 50 mm. You can change 50 mm. The dimension is D1, D4, D4. This is horizontal dimension D1, this is D2, and this one is D3, upper bound. And this dimension is D4. Angle is this taper line in making from the horizontal. You can change, suppose 60 and 60 degree. You can change from here. Suppose 40 mm. Angle you can change here. As per dimension, angle will suitable angle will form as per these dimension. This is the thickness on one side, thickness on another side. This thickness is both sides equal, and this is the thickness of gusset. This is the position on one side of the profile, another side, and this is the middle. Offset you can set from here. Offset set 15 mm from the center. Suppose I use 10, this one. I am not taking any offset. Location I am taking the middle, here and this in both sides. This is it. I take another example. Sorry, gusset, this one. I take this side, this side, this side. This is the polygon, isometric. Suppose I take 80 mm, 90 mm. This one. This is D1 is the 91 mm. D2 is this one vertical dimension. Suppose this is 80. This one. D3 is the above dimension. Suppose I increase the dimension 40 mm. The above horizontal line. D4. Suppose D4 is this one vertical dimension. I take it suppose 30 mm. This reduces angle also. Suppose I take it 40 degree. This taper line makes from the horizontal. This angle is that one. This thickness is on one side, this thickness on the other side. This thickness is thickness divided on both sides equally. This is the thickness of the gusset. This is the location, one end profile, another end profile, and this is the middle of the offset. You can give from here 5 mm. Suppose you want to give offset 5 mm. This will shift it from the center to 5 mm. You can change the direction from here. This can be direction here. Suppose you gusset, you want to change the gusset's dimension. This way shift it. Whatever dimension as per drawing you required, you can manually. You can shift here from here. This way you can change the dimension. Finally, you can change the appearance of the gusset. How you can change? You click here. Suppose boss extrude. This one. Change the appearance from here. Suppose you want to change this one with the change the appearance. Boss extrude this one. Camper sketch, camper dimensions. Select it, copy it, here, paste it. Value, this one, appearance, green. In this way, you can change the from here. Open it. You can open from here for appearance. Here and go in the where you want to change the appearance. Gusset in the front of front of the gusset, you can click here, appearance section. This is the appearance section. Appearance. Suppose this is red. Suppose this is the gusset appearance. Suppose another appearance. You want to get another appearance. Yellow. Can change them. So in this way we can use the gusset command with the SolidWorks Weldments tool. I hope you would have enjoyed in this my exercise. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my this channel so that my channel grow to a good extent. Thank you for watching. Okay.